Hey, what's up guys? We are in the TL today and I'm going to be installing the evap purge control valve or canister, whatever people call it. But for about 2 months now I was getting like the Titan gas cap error, and it would come and go, like it was kind of intermittent, but I think it during like the hot weather would come more frequently. But after a month of that, I threw like a check engine light and I threw in my OBD2 reader and it came back with like a P0497 as well as a P145C error. So that kind of led to the evap problem. So I went ahead and Rock Auto bought the little control valve canister thing and going to install it today. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is some needle nose pliers, a 10mm ratchet or socket, and then flathead for the taking off this engine cover. So engine cover off. The unit you're going to be taking or replacing is this one right here. It's connected by this wiring harness as well as two 10mm bolts. It's one on right here and then one on the bottom, as well as these two rubber hoses. The bottom bolt and then disconnected, or haven't disconnected this hose yet, but as you can see the hose is right there. So I'm just gonna take some needle nose pliers and just disconnect that hose. And there we go. So this is the old one. This is the new one. I'm just gonna take off this hose, put it onto the new one, and then reinstall it. God, I hope I don't freaking drop this bolt. Yo. So, finally done with putting on those bolts. Found a plastic 10mm bolt. Now connect this hose. I think this is a sign that I should probably stop working on my own cars. Everything's connected back. I'm gonna start her up, see if everything works. Finally done with that job. It was supposed to have been a super quick install, but it ballooned into like a 3-hour job. So I am definitely not looking forward to the brake job for this car. It's probably going to be another long day. But yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.
Sash.